So we just got to the next school, and more skate park action going on. I hadn't been here in so long, like 10 plus years probably. No, actually not that long, probably like 3 years, but it's just crazy like how fast they develop in the schools. Like look at this thing. Check this spot out, yeah? Get that little...
Fall back, Cody. It used to be this part right here, Cody.
You can grind all the way around through this whole thing. I mean, that's a pretty long grind. Pretty gnarly. Got this spot right here too. You can like grind up it, do a trick, and then grind down. This is my favorite thing right here. This thing is sick. Like, look how thin that is. It's like a knife and a skate spot in one. Oh, Matt's got it for C. Oh! Oh my, he was going fast. Whew. He was going really fast. What? Garza's always discovering the spots within the spot. This is one of those places where I can tell I'm going to film everyone else because they're all crushing it, enjoying it. It's a cool spot. Oh! I really want to see Matt grind this whole metal thing. That's insane. Yeah, coming in fast on that's pretty scary too. Yeah, here's the other side. I wonder where he's gonna start. Gotta like carve into it up there. Gotta get a lot of speed. That's the hard part, is you gotta like swerve in right there into this. And it's pretty long, so you definitely gotta be going pretty quick. Woo! Yeah, baby. Oh my. Oh. Woo! Let's get that back to back. See if they do it. Get that high five stoke right here. Yeah, Matt. Oh, he's coming in. He's ready. Oh! Yes! That was the back-to-back right there. Sick. There's no easy way out of this roll-on grind too. Like Kyle's gonna have to grind at least, that looks like 20 solid feet, maybe 30 feet of grinding. There's no easy way out. Oh, there it is. That's the money. Oh! Wow. Oh. Woo! Just the noise like that makes when you're grinding. Oh, it's so satisfying. Oh my gosh. That was robbery. Straight robbery. I thought he had that one for sure. Oh. Oh. Yep. Yep. Yeah, he really held on to that one. It was just really smart. Like, probably could have popped out earlier, but he was like, nah, I got the speed. I'm going to stay on. That was rad. Yeah, Kyle.
I'm going to take my school picture.
Yeah, that was rad. Moving things. We got a nice little flat rail right here. Knobbed. Dang, you can get all the way around too. That's pretty dope. Homie's just lounging over there. I like his style, just lounging. Yep, found another area in the school to skate. There's skate parks everywhere. What do you call these? Like almost like plastic benches that you can assemble together. And they have like backrests, so you can like lift the backrest up. I'll show you right now. Wow. Oh, the flat rail.
I should have hit the flat rail.
Whoa. Just the sound that makes is so cool. Oh my goodness. No way. Yeah.
Oh! Right.
Even he was surprised. He was like, wait, what? Yeah. Oh, my bad. I answered for the wrong Zach.
That's the worst that can happen. Dude, fucking God.
Got the Zach Peacock and Zach Downing inside. He's like, you ready, Zach?
That's a lot of Zach.
I'm like, yeah, fuck, my bad.
Oh, wait, what?
I didn't mean to speak for you.
Will.
Oh my. Dude, that's mean too. Wow. So terrifying.
Backsides. Touch the fence, but
All day.
I'll try another one. Hell yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Oh yes. Wow.
There you go. That's better.
This is the Ikea skate park. You just move things wherever you want. Just gotta make sure you don't like take them down, right? Because like when you take Ikea furniture down, it's just done.
You're done.
Yeah, you can set it up, use it once. So like, yeah, you get one chance at the skate spot. As soon as you start moving it, the spot's ruined.
There we go. You fucking tagged on the ollie up. Dude, that was scary, bro.
Guy's out here. Oh, I have my lens cap on, but he just landed like 5 fly ground tricks in a row. Alright, first one he didn't land. Had my lens on. So we're at one of the most prestigious buildings in all of San Diego. They have like Fashion Week here. It's a pretty like pristine building. One of the best rails is out here. You get busted pretty quick. It's kind of a burnt spot, but we're going to see. We got guards there. We got one of the young dogs with us. See if he jumps on the rail. It's a hot spot, so we'll probably only get like maybe 3-4 minutes. Kind of blowing it out right now, but I think people know about this spot, so it's cool. Here he is, our man, our rail skater. See if he's into it. There's the rail. My homie Andy Mack front blended the shit out of this. Shout out Andy Mack, Lurkville. You know who he is. He's the man. You can skate both rails in a row too. People have done that. You can skate one rail, churn, and then skate the other. Pretty gnarly. Yeah, people have done that. But how good is that?
It's pretty fucked.
You get like, I'm gonna say you get like 4 tries before we get kicked out. Just a heads up. But look how good it is.
Pretty perfect.
It's pretty fucking perfect, yeah.
It's actually really perfect. Holy
Yeah.
shit.
Ocean's over there. You can hit it from both sides too. I mean, it's tall, But yeah, then you got that rail down there.
That's a really good size.
Yep.
Monument.
Yeah.
There's a video on YouTube of a couple of kids clearing that.
So I won't film you. I'm just letting you know we're getting kicked out. Security guard's really cool. He said, hey, he's doing his job. We got to go, but he respects skating.
If it was up to me, you could skate all day long. But, yeah.
Hey, respect, man. We appreciate it. You have a good day.
Hey, we have a professional skater.
All right, so last spot for me today. It's been a long day. Not last spot, actually. It's the last place we're going to skate is the skate park here, Colorado Valley Skate Park. It's always fun, like taking people to a skate park they haven't been before. I think most of my homies that are here right now haven't been here. We got Matt in the bowl over here. It's a big bowl. It's like 12 feet deep over there. Oh, we got some homies over here in the street area. Got a good crew out today. It's like a big, diverse crew. We got trained skaters, street skaters, manual pads, everything. It's nice. Got the young skaters, the older skaters. Got Kyle out here killing it. Snapping ollies.
That was almost fucking terrible.
So almost caught it like bad. That almost was bad too.